Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and in today's video we're gonna do a short recap of what happened in the XAU/USD trading market for today, because we had another really good day that I need to share with you guys and explain on how the actual setup looked like for today and the details of it. So if you're curious about the gold forex trading market and how it's really good to play around it, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we're gonna do another short review of the gold forex trading market and the really good setup that we had today in terms of the trade. And we had a pretty big one today that I need to show you guys and explain in detail so you can spot your own really big trends next time that you're looking at the chart itself. This is really useful information, and here in the Trade Labs channel I am really trying to teach you guys what to expect from the gold forex trading market and the top tips and tricks that you can apply whenever you jump on trades. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay guys, so what you're seeing on the screen right now is a snapshot of today's market and how the gold forex trading market trends have looked like. Now what I'm showing here for you guys is just one of the trades that I feel made the most impact into the actual market itself. This was the most powerful trend that I've seen playing around, and I will show you in a few seconds how it actually played out and what opportunity was if you followed along the whole trend. This right here is the starting point of the trend change, and if you've been watching these videos on the Trade Labs channel, most likely you know that the indicator that I'm using on the screen here, it's called the momentum trading indicator, and it's a proprietary indicator created by us here at Trade Labs in order to give you clear information on what decisions you can make in order to take those trades. Now, this indicator is really good at predicting the direction of the market and the market movement itself, which is basically what any kind of trader would need and want from the market. As you can see, we had a small bearish trend right here, then a small upward, and then it started to heavily go down into a bearish mode. Now, this right here is the indicator where the momentum trading indicator has notified us of the starting point of a trend change. So basically it's saying that, hey, here where we have this small red arrow is where the direction of the market is going to change, like right now. And I have added this red arrow here, the big one, just to signify the change in the direction of the market and how the market changed from green to red. But basically this would be the sell signal that you need to take into consideration. And in terms of stop loss, I would place my stop loss just a few ticks before the actual starting point of my trend, just to be safe. So if we were to say maybe around here would be a good one. If you are confident about it, you can go even closer to the actual starting point of the trend, but here I would be placing my stop loss just a few ticks above, because we are talking about a bearish trend and it's perfectly fine. But as you can see, the actual trend has played out to not overpass this stop loss that we have set out here, and instead it went all the way down. So like I mentioned, this started at around 9 o'clock in the morning, but I need to show you guys how this actual trend played out, because it was a huge, and I mean huge, trend, as you can see. So now I want to concentrate on where the actual trend has ended. This direction of the market change, I will just pull this in closer. This is where the market turned from red to green, and now the market is starting to go bullish. However, this happened roughly at around 2 o'clock in the morning. So if we were to consider the actual potential behind this trade, it would be absolutely mind-blowing if you think about it. Now, the lowest point of this trend could have played out to be at 1807 as a price point, point, whilst the highest point of the trade would be back here at the highest price point of 1836. Now, what does that do? If you do the math behind it, that leaves you with just around 29 points. And if you are aware, points are not pips. If you multiply it by 100, you get your pips. So basically, in our case, we have 29 points times 100, and you're looking at a potential of 2,900 pips into one trade in the gold forex trading market, where the actual market continuously goes down on a bearish trend which lasts so long. As you can see, the actual stop loss line was never met back. This is still going down, so that was a good call from my side. However, this went all the way down, as you can see. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you found it useful and informative and really good for you and your trading skills. In terms of what happened in the gold forex trading market for today and how the XAUUSD behaved, especially on a bearish market where it went all the way down. I mean, we are talking about the potential of 2,900 pips, which is mind-blowing if you think about it. But this is really beautifully exemplified by the momentum trading indicator in combination with a brick bar chart, which is again created by us here at TradeLabs to make your life easier. So if you're looking to get something like a really powerful indicator which can leave you with no questions asked, like give you that kind of information, then you need to stop here. You just found it. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.